Are you guys ready for these glasses? So I got these glasses over 10 years ago, and I thought they were like the cutest things ever. And they remind me of like 5 Second Cleanup, the show. I don't know if you guys know it, but this is Part 18 of Be Your Own Resource, and it is a comment answering strategy. So basically, what I do when I'm answering comments is make a chart for yourself to copy and paste on your iPad or your computer or wherever you answer your comments, just so that you don't have to like type thank you a billion times or type have a great day or happy to meet you or I'm glad you're here. Whatever common responses you have, that'll help you a lot. My common responses are I'm happy to meet you, thank you sweetie, thank you so much, have a great day, what was your favorite part? And then the ones who consistently respond with new responses can have a personalized response from you, and like obviously if they have questions you can answer them, and also if they are very loyal to you, you obviously reward them with longer messages and more in detailed, like you can really get to know them through the comments. And then you can also measure how long they've been subscribed by their badges. And then how often should you answer comments? You should try to answer them once every day. It also helps the YouTube algorithm, because the more comments on your videos, the more engagement, and the more engagement, the more YouTube will promote. How often should you leave a response after posting? How often should you leave a post? 2 hours, yeah, 2 hours. You should, I think that I misread that question. I meant, when should you leave a comment? And right after the videos, you should be answering the comments for 2 hours after you make a video is what I meant. What if I fall behind on comment answering? Well, just spend a day and catch up. Should you give out personal information? No. And if you do, what you could do is you could like wait until they see it and then delete the comment so that they, so that it doesn't stay up there permanently for everyone else to see. Another thing you could do is tell them to DM you on a platform that is a little more safer to give out your information, like your phone number or your email. You could give out your email through there, but because like sponsors get, your email. So, but if it's your phone number or your address, definitely go on a social media platform that's a little more safer, and then you can communicate there with whatever it is. So yeah, that's my comment answering strategy. A few little tips that I didn't write down that I want you guys to know is that comment answering can be really strenuous, and it can be really boring at times, because you get a lot of like, hey, hello, what's up, how you doing, like the same responses over and over and over again. So as important as it is for you to have like a response thing, it's important for you to have like those kind of answers already prepared, so that you're not sitting there typing hey a million times. And over the course of my YouTube channel, I have had well over 10,000 comments, and it can get really strenuous, especially if you have so many bilingual people who are talking to you. Sometimes back in the day, it didn't let you do translation very easily to know what they're saying, and so you kind of just have to guess, and just you can use a translator, but at the same time, if you don't know the language, there's no point in pretending you know the language. Just make sure to be grateful for them and to thank them, and then they'll know that maybe they should try to comment in your language so you understand, and you can build a relationship a little better, because it's hard to build a relationship with someone when you don't know their language as well. So yeah, that is all I have to say about that. Hope you guys are having an amazing day, and I'll see you guys in the next one.